Welcome students. This video is for class 2nd student, lesson 3, the rainbow fish. Children, today we will start our new chapter, lesson 3, the rainbow fish. And we will start our reading. Let's start. Children, see here. Here is a picture of the rainbow fish. Color his scales in the colors of the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now begin to the story. Let us read a story about the rainbow fish and his beautiful scales. Children, here scales mean flat, hard things that cover the body of fish. It means cover of a body, the skin of the body. The rainbow fish was the most beautiful fish in the sea. This story is about a rainbow fish. Rainbow we are calling about because the fish has many colors like violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. The rainbow fish was the most beautiful fish in the sea. His scales shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. In the rainbow fish, skin has all the rainbow colors. Come, play with us, said the other fish. The other fish invited to the rainbow fish for the playing, but the rainbow fish did not play with them. I am too beautiful, he thought. He thought he is very beautiful, so he don't want to play with the other fish. Now children, what did the other fish say to the rainbow fish? Come, play with us. Once a little blue fish asked for one of his shiny scales, but the rainbow fish just laughed. Never, he said. He did not give the blue fish any of his shiny scale. Once upon, what happened? A little blue fish asked that to the rainbow fish that gave the shiny scale, but rainbow fish refused and laughed. After that, the other fish swam away from him. The rainbow fish was all alone. He went to the starfish for help. Why does not anybody like him? He asked. Go ask the octopus, said the starfish. She is very wise. The rainbow fish swam to the octopus. Give away your shiny scale, the octopus said. After that, you may not be as beautiful to look at, but you will have friends. I can't do that, cried the rainbow fish. I want all my shiny scales. One time, all the friends gone and rainbow fish alone. He said and thought why he is alone. He went to the octopus and asked why he is alone. So octopus said, leave the shiny scale. But the rainbow refused. What did the rainbow fish want to know? Why he was alone. Suddenly, the little blue fish was back. Please, he said, could I have just one scale? Well, the rainbow fish thought maybe just one tiny little scale, so he gave the little blue fish one of his shiny scales. The little blue fish was so pleased. It made the rainbow fish feel happy. Soon all the other fish came and the rainbow fish gave away his scales one by one. Finally, he had only one shiny scale left. But now, as he swam off to play with his friend, he was the happiest fish in the sea. What would tell us that the little blue fish felt happy when the rainbow fish gave him a shiny scale? Tell me. Fish had only, but now he swam off to play with his friend. He was the happiest fish in the sea. Children, see the word meanings here. Scales, flat, hard things that cover the body of fish. Shimmered, shone prettily. Starfish, a sea animal with a flat body in the shape of a star with 5 or more arms. Octopus, a sea animal with 8 arms. Children, I hope you all are understand this lesson well. In our next video, we will do the exercise work. Till then, goodbye and best wishes.